all just a broken start. Now, today, we are in storm alert mode because Tropical Storm Alex is expected to hit shore within the next 36 hours. It's almost a hurricane with winds of 70 miles per hour. Its location is 22.7 north, 93.1 west, about 310 miles east-southeast of La Pesca, Mexico. And there are hurricane warnings in effect for the coast of Texas, south of Baffin Bay, all the way down to La Cruz in Mexico. And there's tropical storm warnings in effect for the coast of Texas from Baffin Bay to Port O'Connor. There's much rainfall risk because they're worried about a lot of flooding rains from just the extreme size of it. It's got so much tropical moisture. This thing is big. Usually hurricanes are fairly big, but this one's only a tropical storm and it's much bigger than anyone would expect it to be. Next National Hurricane Center advisory will be issued at 2 p.m. Eastern Time, so we are awaiting that advisory. So you can see behind me just the size and the convection of this storm, how it all just spins, and it's forecast to spin right up into Texas. So, that's about it. We're in storm alert mode right now. As soon as there's anything else to tell you, it'll be posted right here. And see you later.